Today I'm showing 5 blind bags and I forgot what's the name of these. Put in your nails. Don't have them. Okay, let's open. Okay, let's see what is inside here. Oh. Wow, this is the prince. I don't know who she is. Whoa, Lettuce Blossom. Lettuce Blossom. I don't know what is she. She is so beautiful. Look at her.
Pera. Não viu não, Ana Júlia?
Oh.
Okay.
Let me take this off. And let's see what is the other one. Let's see. Open. Oh!
Green.
Granny Smith. Granny Smith. He's kind of cute. And look. She's cute, like she has a little thing on it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what we got in the next blind bag. I don't want to get another pinky. Whoa! Gilda the Griffon. She loves Rainbow Dash. She loves Rainbow Dash cousins. Rainbow Dash cousins. She is really cool. Look at that.
Oh.
Gilda's cool. I love Gilda. She is the best pony. She's not a pony, just a dragon. Like a dragon. Let's see.
Dragon.
Woo! Another one. Like at the top. Five and zero. Okay, let's see. Big. I don't know what is this thing. And. I don't know.
Let me see. Okay, monster.
I don't know what name he is, but whoa, he is reddish.
Orange.
No, reddish. Let's see. Where's the card? Right here. And let me see. What is the last one? The last one is. Woo! Another one is there.
Oh, now have a pink.
Yes.
Now have pink.
Nope. We don't have it. We have this one in the video. And here he is.
Beautiful.
Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see these nail things. I'm gonna put some nails on my thing. Okay. Let's see how we can do it. First, we need to put on the owl. Okay. Put these things on the nails. I'm not gonna show this, but you can buy on It's Creative Hasbro, and these are Creative where Hasbro 2. I cut it in Hasbro. And that's it.
Slow.
Bye. Bye. Roar.
Só assim. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much. Like and comment. And subscribe to my videos.
Okay, bye.
Bye.